Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you why YouTube ads are not showing on your videos and how to fix it step by step. If your channel is monetized but earnings are zero or very low, ads may not be running properly. Let's solve it. Step 1. Check monetization status. Go to YouTube Studio arrow content arrow, look at the dollar icon. If it's gray, monetization is off. If it's yellow, ads are limited. Only a green icon means full ads are running. Step 2. Turn on all ad formats. Click a video to Monetization tab. Make sure display ads, overlay ads, skippable ads, and non-skippable ads are enabled. Sometimes these get turned off after edits. Step 3. Check video length. Videos under 8 minutes don't allow mid-roll ads. Longer videos create more ad opportunities, which increases chances of ads being shown. Step 4. Avoid advertiser-unfriendly content. Sensitive topics, strong language, reused content, or misleading thumbnails reduce ad demand. Keep your content brand safe and original. Step 5. Look at audience location. Some countries have lower ad demand. If most viewers are from low CPM regions, ads may appear less frequently. Step 6. Check traffic source. External traffic, shorts feed, or embedded views sometimes show fewer ads than search or suggested traffic. Step 7. Understand ad blockers. Many viewers use ad blockers, meaning ads won't show even though monetization is on. This is normal and affects all creators. Step 8. Wait for new videos to stabilize. Ads sometimes take time to fully serve on new uploads. If ads aren't showing, it's usually due to ad settings, content type, viewer location, or limited ads, not a YouTube system error. Follow these steps and your ad serving should improve. And that's how to fix YouTube ads not showing on videos in 2026. Like the video, subscribe for more creator guides, and I'll see you next time.